Okay, so one of the things that we will learn in this course is how to tell the difference between different intervals. Now we have different types of intervals that we will go over. One of those being uh, just the diatonic sorts of intervals, which are referring to the second, third, and then other sessions be fourths and fifths, sixths and sevenths, and then octaves. And then we have the chromatic intervals, which basically have the modifiers of major, minor, augmented, or diminished next to them. So there's quite a few different intervals that we can have based on all of these different things up here. So all of those different semitones give way to all the different types of diatonic and chromatic based intervals that we have. So first one that we have be the second. So we have two types of seconds. We have this one, which is the minor second, which is the closest one and the most dissonant one and the darkest one. And then we have the major second. So major second is a little bit brighter, not as dissonant. This is usually from degree 1 to degree 2. And this is usually degree 1 to low 2. This is what would be called regular 2. And then we have our, we go from what's called a step to our first skip. So we go from this to our first skip, which is a minor third. Now you could tell this is a sort of a dark interval, and it is rather close in proximity to each other. Then we have a brighter interval, the major third coming up. And if we were to tally these up, the minor third would be 1, 2, 3, 4 half steps away. And the minor, or the major third rather, would be 5 half steps away from the home note, which was C in this case. So there you go, minor third, major third. And then minor second is this one, major second.